Yo guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use external LUT on Sony FX3. Again, you go to menus, you go to media, and then in media you need to select format slot 1 wherever you have put the camera, and then just format it. When you will format, it will make a folder structure on your card. You need to take the card out, put it in the card reader, connect it to your laptop, locate the file wherever it is, go to file, copy the file, and then open the card. When you'll open the card, there will be folders, and in these folders there is the folder called Sony. If you open Sony folder, there will be Pro, and in Pro there will be LUT, lookup table. When you click on lookup table, you can paste it there, and then you're done with the card. Now we have copied the LUT on the card. After that, what I'll do is I'll put the card back in the camera, and then I will open the main menu. And in menu, if you go to main 2 and I scroll down to where you can see Rex 709, I will go there, and then I'll scroll down until I see user 1. When I see user 1, I'll click on that and I'll go further in, and in there it's saying there is no LUT and I can import that LUT. And when I'll click on import, it will show me the LUT which I copied on my card. As you can see, Sony Film Unlimited 500, this is the name of the file which I have put on that folder. And then I will just click on that and say okay, and there you go, the LUT is being imported, and now I can use my LUT on my Sony FX3. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing and helpful videos like this. Thank you so much.